Mastering Irregular Verbs, a hands-on quiz. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're going to be focusing on a particularly challenging but crucial aspect of the English language: irregular verbs. Get ready to put your knowledge to the test with a fun and interactive quiz. Don't worry if you're still feeling a bit shaky. This is all about practice. Before we dive into the quiz, let's take a quick moment to recap what we know about irregular verbs. Unlike regular verbs, which follow a predictable pattern in the past and past participle forms, irregular verbs don't stick to these rules. They undergo internal changes, or sometimes don't change at all, in their different forms. For example, the verb go becomes went in the past tense and gone in the past participle. It's all about memorization and practice, so let's get started. We've prepared a series of sentences, each missing an irregular verb. Your task is to identify the correct form of the verb. Remember, these could be in the present, past, or past participle form. It's a chance for you to flex your irregular verb muscles and see how many you've mastered. Note, this is not a timed quiz, so take your time. The key here is understanding, not speed. Here we go. I'll read out a sentence, and you'll fill in the blank with the correct form of the irregular verb given in brackets. 1. I have many interesting places in the world. C. 2. She her keys yesterday and found them under the bed. Lose. 3. They to the concert last night. Go. 4. We have our homework already. Do. 5. He his bike to work every day. Ride. How did you do? Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't worry if you stumbled on any of these. Now, let's check your answers. 1. I have seen many interesting places in the world. 2. She lost her keys yesterday and found them under the bed. 3. They went to the concert last night. 4. We have done our homework already. 5. He rides his bike to work every day. Give yourself a pat on the back if you got these right. If not, remember this is a learning process and every mistake is a step towards improvement. That's it for our irregular verbs quiz today. I hope this exercise helped you become more comfortable with using these verbs in your everyday English. Remember, mastering irregular verbs takes time and practice, so don't be hard on yourself. Keep practicing, and you'll get there. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!